Hello, everybody. My name is Ted Zotos. I'm a manager for research and innovation at the IRU. The IRU is the World Road Transport Organization and is the voice of more than 3.5 million companies operating mobility and logistics services in more than 100 countries globally. On ERS, ERS can play an important role in the toolkit mix for electrification. To meet Europe's climate goals for heavy-duty vehicles, especially for mid-haul and long-haul freight, where battery electric vehicles alone are often limited by range, charging time issues, scarcity of charging infrastructure, and as David mentioned, payload penalties. That is quite important. All of this, of course, with an affordable energy price and without talking about prices that we're looking in the market at the moment, which reach 60 or 70 cents per kilowatt hour, which is not gonna fly in commercial road transport. At European level, also, we can see that ERS can provides an opportunity to limit dependencies in producing batteries countries. At a more operational level, also ERS can help achieving energy efficiency without big batteries, as said, if the infrastructure becomes widespread and also interoperable, because we cannot have pantographs in one country and inductive charging in another. It can minimize downtime. Vehicles can charge while driving or in traffic situations and maintain delivery schedules without sacrificing time for driver rest time and driving time for charging. ERS can provide infrastructure flexibility, can reduce reliance on only depot charging or public charging, etc., etc. And it's especially suitable for high density freight corridors. That's something that can be prioritized in early deployment, if such things, for fixed route operations, and it can be used as an alternative for opportunity charging in long haul fleets. I'm going to mention a bit the key challenges from the operator viewpoint. The discussion reminds me of the discussions in 2018-19 when the pantograph testing was taking place, and I've heard about the costs and the cost to implement it. That the 10T corridor network was multiple my home country's GDP. So that's something that when I've heard was a no-go, but things might be different now. Standardization issues, as I said, it has to be one, because trucks are not driving in just one route. They drive in several countries, in several continents sometimes. Business case uncertainty is a clear challenge. And then who is investing on this infrastructure is another challenge. The risk on technology that fleets face risks when investing in ERS compatible technologies, and the fact that first infrastructure has been the infrastructure has to be followed by the vehicles has to be followed by infrastructure. Another risk is that the trucks will not have autonomy outside the main electrified networks, and that's something that in the cases of operators matter. Now, ERS can be definitely a part of a technology neutral decarbonization strategy, and funding will be needed to test and deploy more to show the benefits. By starting with high impact corridors where the volumes and the usage justify the cost. Dialogue with operators and identifying the key corridors that will bring value to the area's infrastructure will be crucial. And we are looking forward to more and more research in the topic. And that's it for me. Thank you very much.